Christmas. I don't want to fight tonight with